review Kingsman: The Golden Circle today. You know, the sequel to the amazing Kingsman: The Secret Service. So let's start off with a little synopsis of what the movie's about.
We're from the Kingsman Tailor Shop in London. Maybe you've heard of us?
So we start off with Eggsy. You know, he's now a full-fledged Kingsman spy agent. You know, he's seasoned. He's got Roxy. He's got a new Arthur. Merlin's still there, and he gets attacked. He gets attacked by former Kingsman applicant that we saw in the first movie. And this guy's now decked out. He's got a robot arm, and it's like, what? This guy's got a robot arm. What else is happening? And then it was, hey, it's Kingsman from the first movie. You know, this is possible. Alright, and then move from there. If we see that all the Kingsmen get taken out, and you know, like certain characters, they seem to be dead, but we don't know because, you know, just assumption. And you know, then so Merlin and Eggsy have to go to the US, and they have to go to see the statesmen, and we have Pedro Pascal and Halle Berry and Jeff Bridges and Channing Tatum. That's where they all come in, and you know, when we see like the plan by Poppy, played by Julianne Moore. Like, she is like this drug kingpin, and you know, like she's like, she wants to be famous, and like she's like this multi-billionaire, and no one knows who she is. You know, so she enacts this plan, and with this virus, and then action and hilarity ensues. So we hope, but not really, because you know, it doesn't live up to what we saw in like, the first film. Like, it suffers from the sequel syndrome, where like it's trying to match up to that first film. That was it was amazing, but this one it's just not there. Let me start off with some of the things that I liked. So got some action, you know, that was great as usual. Some of the comedy was, hey, it hit. And then we had the acting. I had no problems with the actors. Nobody was terrible. People were fine, they were good. No complaints. And bad. So just like it had the elements of like the first film, but it just didn't hit all the way through. Like, some of the moments it set up, they weren't followed through brilliantly here, and I don't know, man, it just wasn't it just was missing the spark of the first film. Like, I was trying not to judge it too harshly compared to the first one. But the first one was maybe like a 9 out of 10. I just remember like a 6.5 or a 7 out of 10. It's average, not a bad movie, but it's nothing brilliant either. You know, but you know, there's still some good points, some good moments in the film. You know, you won't waste your money seeing it, but you're expecting the wonder and brilliance of the first film, not here, Brennan. So, you know, but hey, it's a good way to spend your 2 hours, 28 hours.
Today marks the beginning of a new age. Wait, I'm gonna show you. Say goodbye to the Kingsmen.
Kind of got a bit of a save the world situation here.
Welcome to Statesman.
As your American cousins, we'll be working side by side.
Let's get started.